Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw, we are on our second track, no? Sa Complex EP ni Philip, and we have Stray Dogs, no? Official music video. I mean, ito talaga yung isusunod ko na kanta, no? Kasi ito yung may music video din. So bali, nung tingnan ko yung mga list ng kanta ng EP, itong dalawa yung may music video. So, unahin mo natin yung dalawang music video. Pero, ayun na nga, marami din nag-comment sa inyo to sa reaction natin ng Rockstar na maganda nga daw to. So, ito yung sunod natin. But yeah, I mean, again, we have Stray Dogs na official music video, man. I mean, katapos lang natin mag-move on sa Rockstar, but we have Stray Dogs. Well, let's see, no? Again, sobrang ikli lang ng Rockstar, pero I feel like lakas niya maka main character vibe, no? Ay yung tipong pag yung naglalakad ka sa daan, tapos naka-earphone ka or something, feeling mo main character ka, no? Yung the way na yung beat nun is bumayo, no? But let's see, the Stray Dogs, no? Kung anong maramdaman natin. And yeah, without no further ado, man, get it. Ay. So, trap style pa rin, no? Ay. Hey. Sa Japan ba siya? Ayun, no? Okay. Turn me up. Turn me up.
Look at his change, look at his drip, look at his face, dauntless. Look at his cash, look at his pants, look at his blights, nodding. Look at his eyes,
I'm nodding as well.
Live him a day. Mirror's not a. Look at his change, look at his drip, look at his face, dauntless. Look at his cash, look at his pants, look at his blights, nodding. Look at his eyes, look at judge won't live him a day. Mirror's not okay. Hey, bang all his mouth, think loaded, dirty. Cool, talking bomb, started right, yeah.
Oh, the I don't know, change ng flow, no? Isa talaga yun sa pinaka strength ni Philip, no, sa pagra-rap, no, yung kakaibang flow niya, 'di ba? At samahan pa nung sobrang unique niyang boses, no. Napakagandang combination. Pero ano sabi niya doon?
Look at his eyes, look at judge won't live him a day. Mirror's not okay. Hey, bang all his mouth, think loaded, dirty. Cool, talking bomb, started.
Bang this mouth, stinky loaded dirty. Ano ba yun? Parang yung sa mga nagko-talk shit, diba? Talk shit, diba? Stinky mouth, talk shit, diba? If you talk shit, diba? Kasi nagko-talk shit ka sa taong yun, pero at the same time talk, tapos at the same time shit. Okay.
Right, yeah, you decide that the net is taking by night. Hey, I decide, I guess I'll come scam, right? Shoot and look, I make goose, I'm too much for your ice. Yeah, you might go blind.
I'm too much for your eyes, man. You might get blind, you might go blind, sabi niya doon. Hindi mo alam kung ano no? I mean, again, di ba? Kasi napakaraming karabihan ng mga kanta ni Philip so far na napapakinggan ko dito sa Complex is parang, alam mo yun, patama dun sa mga nagto-talk shit or no, yung maraming sinasabi tukol sa kanila, no?
I decide, I guess I'll caramba scam, right? Shoot and look, I make goose, I'm too much for your ice.
Okay, so you shouldn't look because I'm too much on your eyes. You might go blind. I'm too much on your eyes. Tsaka, men, tangin ako, ayaw nyo sa kanila. I mean, just don't look. Diba? Why waste time checking Philip songs, yung galaw nila, yung movement nila, kung ayaw sa kanila, di ba? Just go on, move on sa buhay mo, man. Di ba? Nagmumukha kang ano eh, nagmumukha ka lang tanga na nag-hate sa kanila, no? Wala namang basihan, no? So ang ganda lang, ang gandang way na parang too much on your eyes, man. You might go blind, no? Kakatingin mo, kakahanap mo, no? At the same time, wala naman silang pake.
Gotta right, yeah, you decide. That dinero's taken by the night. Hey, I decide. My girls are carambas, can't bite.
Hey, you should look.
Got me cruising too much for your ice.
You might go blind.
I seen your mommy, daddy, feel like you just swagging naughty. Just got even jealous someday. Always gotta do everything about it. I got all
Hey.
it. You ain't got it. Hope your others get a feeling when I pull up, nana. Keep your hand up. I'm a bozo. I'm the bozo. Hey, almost too big for your G.
I'm a bozo. I'm a bozia. So ano ba to? Kaya ba stray dogs? Kasi parang wala silang amo. They are their own men. Or they are their own dog. No? Kung aso talaga kasi stray dogs. So parang malaya sila kasi stray dogs nga. No? Malaya silang gumalaw kasi wala silang amo. So parang ganun siya sabi ito. No? Na stray dogs siya, no? Malaya siyang gumalaw, malaya siyang sabihin yung gusto niya sabihin, 'di ba? Wala siyang pake sa mga critics, 'di ba? As long as alam mong mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, 'di ba? Parang yun ako kung vibe eh.
Not even jealous someday. Always gotta do everything about it. I got all it. You ain't got it. Hope your others get a feeling when I pull up, nana. Keep your hand up. I'm a bozo. I'm the bozo.
Hey.
I'm almost too big for your G. Don't compare yourself to me. I'm in my throne. Not the whole year would make. Came like a storm. You make it your cold. Like damn, screaming.
Shit. I came like a storm. You might catch a cold, man. Yung pagdating ko, 'di ba, para akong wave ng storm pagdating ko, 'di ba? Baka magkalagnat ka or magkasakit ka, 'di ba? Kasi at the same time, minsan pag naligo ka sa ulan, sa bagyo, 'di ba? Minsan nagkakasakit ka, sobrang labig, no? Pero at the same time, yung wave niya as an artist, no? Yung presence niya, lalo na sa mga haters, no? Sobra kayo ng hate, baka magkasakit tayo.
I'm almost too big for your G.
Compare mo yung name.
I'm in my throne. Not the whole year would make.
Ay,
Came like a storm. You make it your cold.
hey, hey,
My whole rap be like damn. Screaming, telling be like damn. Yeah.
hey.
Look, dog, I'm super elite. Yeah. Extra, you nigga. Hate it, you want a minute.
Ayun yung pinakamagandang pwede mong description kay Philip, no? Trendsetter. I'm super unique. Yeah. Diba? Ayun yung isa sa mga bagay na nagustuhan ko kay Philip, no? I mean, wala naman tayo eh. I mean, pero sa lahat ng member ng SB19, again, lahat sila is talented and flexible on their own craft, no? Pero I feel like yun yung medyo pinagkaiba ni Philip, no? Sa kanila kasi parang sobrang unique nung sa kanya. Yung sa kanila kasi yung sa ibang member kasi like sila Pablo, like sila Stel, di ba? So ang galing nila dun sa ginagawa nila. Pero si Philip, sobrang unique siya, no? Sa ginagawa. Alam mo, ang hirap i-explain eh. Basta
My whole rap be like damn. Screaming,
Hey.
telling be like damn. Yeah.
yeah.
Look, dog, I'm super elite.
Yeah.
Trendsetter,
Oh,
extra.
ito pala.
Hate it, you want a minute. Gotta get the money for a minute.
Hey.
Can't be the numero una. Bottom to top with the una. So, just get barking like you want it. Straight up in there for this low flow, man. I'm going cold. Gone shit. You can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm that bad, man. Yeah, just keep barking like you want it. Straight up in there for this low flow, man. I'm going cold. Gone shit. You can praise me, but I'm never gonna.
What the fuck is Gomshi? 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 What is Gomshi? I mean, comment down below. Comment down below ano yung Gomshi, no? I mean, I might do my research as well, no? Sometimes kasi ayoko mag-search masyado, lalo na kung ano pa tayo, nag-react pa tayo sa, uy, may lango dito. Nag-react pa tayo sa, what the fuck? Malis ka dito. Nag-react pa tayo sa EP, no? Kasi, minsan nagbibigay siya ng spoiler, nakawala na yung element of surprise minsan sa ibang kanta. May mga ganong album kasi, no? So, minsan ako mag-search na. Pero just comment down below. Ano meaning ng Gumshoe, pero at the same time, I don't know kung this is the hook, no? Pero ang ganda galing ng pagkakagawa na yun. Kasi parang sila yung sinasabi yung Stray Dogs, diba? Again, na-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung tingin ko sa meaning niya ng Stray Dogs, no? Na malaya. Pero at the same time, yung sinasabi niyo doon na tumahol lang kayo ng tumahol, diba? How ironic na sila yung, sinasabi ko dito na sila yung stray dogs, pero kayo yung tahol ng tahol. Gandang parang nun, contrast.
And I'm going cold, gone shit. You can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm that bad man. Yeah, just keep
Barking on you wanna know.
Straight up in that voted low flow, man. I'm going cold, gone shit. You can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm that bad man. If it's straight dogs, flipping different straight dogs. If it's straight dogs, flipping different straight dogs.
Ang ganda ng adlib, no? And then, effing stray dog. Flippin' effing stray dog. So, may woof. Ang ganda nun. Ang ganda nun.
Never gonna tell them I'm the bear man. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different.
Wait. Alam ko masyado tayo nilalaman ng kanta, pero, I mean, just the visuals. At the same time, and Philip, ilang damit ang kailangan mong suotin na sa music video na to. Ay, ako pa napapansin, iba-iba na yung damit niya Oh, diba? Iba-iba, oh.
I see the wolf with them closed off. Get him awake.
Daw.
If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. I see the wolf with them closed off. Get him awake.
I see the wolf with them clothes daw. Diba? Parang, ano ba itong kasabihan sa English? Sa foreign na, yung, alimutan ko yung kasabihan na to ko sa dog na, kung paano, wala sa isip ko. Nasa dulo ng dila ko pero, isa na sabihin ko to sa linya na yun. Sayang.
If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. I see the wolf with them closed off. Get him away.
I see the wolf close parang, yung parang you have to let out the dog in you. Halimutan ko. Yaman na. Shit. Makatulog yan.
If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. I see the wolf with them closed off. Get him awake. Used to be loco. Get us a no. Don't wanna hurt you. I'm not a superhero, villain a superhero. See these pants, see this shirt, this got my Gucci, see these shoes, it's my brand new product. Gone shit, you can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm the bad man. Yo, just keep barking like you want it up. Straight up in that voted low flow when I'm going cold. Gone shit, you can praise me, but I'm never gonna tell them I'm the If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs.
It's a banger, man.
Flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs. If it's stray dogs, flipping different stray dogs.
Let's go, man. That's a banger. That's a banger and a half, man. Hey, let's go. Philip. Alright, again, that's Stray Dogs, man. Philip official music video. Second track na pinainggan natin sa Complex EP niya, no, man. That's a fucking banger, no? Ayan yung tipong papatugtugin mo talaga. Kasi I feel like yung Rockstar is parang pwede mo siyang gawing, nga, sabi niya, diba, parang intro siya ng album na to, kaya medyo maikse. Pero at the same time, pwede mo siyang gawing intro ng araw mo, no? Bago ako pumasok sa trabaho, pwede mo siyang patugtugin like you're the main character or some shit. You know, parang sa sarili mo lang, pampataas ng confidence. I don't know kung may ganun kayong feeling, no? Kasi madalas sa akin, kaya nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kaya ako nagsimula mag-react or to do a reaction video or reaction videos. Kasi, ano yun parang win-win sa akin yun di ba? Nakakagawa ako ng content, di ba? Nakakapag-upload ako ng video. At the same time, ginagawa ko yung gusto ko, na naikinig ako ng music or naikinig ako ng sobrang curious ako sa mga bagong music, no? Na madalas ko naman talaga ginagawa in my spare time o sa sarili ko lang. O why not combine it, right? Meron akong content. Yun yung pinaka-reason kung bakit ako nagsimula gumawa ng reaction videos, no? Kasi sobrang hilig ko sa music, no? And laging may kinalaman yung music sa araw-araw na ginagawa ko. Ngayon, papasok ako sa trabaho. Dati, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Naka-earphone ako, locked in, no? Pag may tinatrabaho ako, ginagawa ko project, no? Music. So, yun yung feeling ko sa Rockstar, no? Pero tong Stray Dogs, this is straight up, man. Straight up sound trip, man. Ito yung papatugtugin mo na pagkakasama kayo ng tropa mo, papatugtugin mo sa speaker, no? Para iparinig sa kanila na, men, ito yung taste ng music ko. Pakinggan nyo. Yun, men. Napakalupit na kantang yun. That's a fucking banger, no? Stray Dogs, man. Going to be my, But yeah, sana gusto nyo yung reaction natin, no? Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo sabihin yung artist, singer, rapper, song. Just comment down below. We're going to react to it. And at the same time, baka may gusto kayong isunod natin, no? Sa Complex EP ni Philip. Just comment down below, no? Check natin yan. But that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.